Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to turn a post to page on WordPress. In order to do that, you have to install a plugin called Post Type Switcher. I'm going to leave the link on the description below. So let's install it. After it is installed, activate it. Okay, it's been installed now. Now let's go to one of the posts that we want to turn to page. So this is a post. You can see it is under the post. So let's refresh it first. So once you activate the page, the plugin, there should be an option here called post type. Click the edit and click post to page, and then now click OK. Now click publish. You'll see that it is nestled under the all pages now. It is now a page. If we go to the pages section, we'll be able to see it. Where is it? Yes, this is the page we created, right? So this is now a page, not a post anymore. If you want to turn it back, you can do that from post to page. Click OK and update again, and it will be a post again. So this is how you use this plugin to turn a page to post and post to page. If you love the video, please subscribe to our channel because we post a lot of informational videos on WordPress and internet marketing, graphics design, things like that. Thank you.